We're going to need to be faster than this, or it's going to be 1 o'clock before we finish. All right, is it true that you're here with your lawyer, Mr. Justin Workman?
તમારું lawyer જોડે આવ્યા છે જસ્ટિન વર્કમાનની જોડે?
Yes.
You got arrested on June 23rd of 2025.
Yeah.
June 23rd, 2025 તમારું accident થયું, arrest થઈ ગયું તમારું?
Yes.
You were charged with operating with a high blood alcohol level.
તમારું alcohol બહુ પી ગયો હતું, બહુ જ્યાદા થઈ ગયું હતું.
Your blood alcohol was very high.
તમારું ખૂનમાં alcoholનું content બહુ હતું.
3.5 times higher than the legal limit.
ત્રણ વખત જ્યાદા હતું.
The prosecutor has agreed to dismiss that charge.
તમારું lawyer dismiss કરવાનું વિચાર કરે છે.
For a plea to a lesser charge of operating while intoxicated.
થોડું કમ કરે છે તમારું દારૂ પીવાનું.
In Michigan, that is a misdemeanor.
Could you repeat, sir?
In Michigan, that is a misdemeanor.
મિશિગનમાં allowed નથી છે.
It is punishable by up to 93 days in jail.
તમે 93 દિવસ જેલમાં મોકલી આપશે.
Senior Mr. Patel, do you understand everything that's being translated? Yes. You might as well let Tab know it's very unlikely I'm going to make that meeting at noon.
Okay.
I'm going to be in here till 1:30. Are you going to plead guilty to that charge of operating while intoxicated?
પટેલજી, તમે માનશો કે તમે પીયા હતું? દારૂ પીયો હતું?
ક્યારની વાત કરો?
પટેલજી,
ના, એટલે અત્યારની વાત કરો છો કે પછી તમે ક્યારની વાત કરો દારૂ પીવું?
accident ના દે. He wants to know when we are talking about.
June 23rd of 2025.
June 23rd. શું?
તે દિવસે મેં પીધેલું હતું.
He says he was drunk that day.
All right. Did anyone threaten you to try to get you to plead guilty to this charge?
તમારું પીવા માટે કોઈ માણસ તમે can you repeat the question?
Did anyone threaten you to try to get you to plead guilty to this charge?
ધમકી આપવું હતું તમને?
તમે શું કહેવા માંગો?
તમે ધમકી આપવું હતું ગિલ્ટી પીવા માટે? તમે
મને
આમ કહેવાનું કોર્ટમાં આમ કહેવાનું તમે
હા.
ધમકી આપો હતું
મને હજી સમજ તમે ધમકી
ધમકી ધમકી
ધમકી કોને મેં કોઈને
હા
ધમકી નથી આપી.
તમે આપવું
All
હતું
right, please
Yes.
stop.
હા.
I don't want you to have a conversation in a language I don't understand.
He couldn't understand the word dhamki. He heard it wrong. He says no.
All right. Because I don't know what you're telling him. Mr. Patel, do you understand that by pleading guilty to this charge, you will give up your right to have a trial?
Yes.
પટેલજી તમે માનશો કે તમે પીએલું હતું
પીધેલું હતું યસ
હા
યા મેં પીધેલું હતું તે દિવસ.
હા he says he was drunk. He pleads guilty.
Yes, I just want you to translate what I say into
Yes.
a language he understands.
હા
So let me say this again. Do you understand that you will be giving up your right to have a trial if you enter this plea of guilty?
તમે guilty માનશો તો ટ્રાયલ નથી થતું
યસ યા
All right, let her finish, please.
Yes, I finished, sir.
All right. I believe you have quite a bit of English.
Some words cannot be translated, sir.
But I want to make sure that you understand everything.
Yes, sir, I do. We use the word trial in Gujarati too.
All right. And for you, Madam Translator, I only want you to translate what I say after
Yes.
I say it.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you had a trial, you would have the right to have a lawyer.
તમે ટ્રાયલ હતા તો વકીલના
You have hired a lawyer,
તમે અત્યારે લોયરના હાયર કે
and that is fine with us.
તો ઠીક છે.
If you had a trial, you would have the right to testify.
ટ્રાયલ હશે તો તમે બોલી શકો.
You would also have the right to not testify.
તમે ના પણ બોલી શકો.
If you did not wish to testify,
તમે બોલવા માટે ના ગમે તો
the judge or the jury could not use that against you.
judge or the judge or jury
Yes.
judge તમે જો કહો છો could you please repeat, Your Honor?
All right. Yes, these are unfamiliar terms. If you did not wish to testify,
Okay. તમે બોલવા નથી
the judge or the jury could not use that fact against you.
judge તમે જો બોલો છો
You would have a right to have any of the witnesses called to testify under oath.
witness could you please repeat, sir?
You would have the right to have any of the witnesses called to testify under oath.
તમારું witness છે કોઈ witness છે પટેલ ભાઈ?
ના
No witness.
All right. And you have the right to be presumed innocent.
તમે રાઈટ છે
Unless they were able to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
તમે નિર્દોષ છો આ પણ થાય.
Were you driving a car in
ત્યારે
St.
તમે
Joseph County
ત્યારે તમે ગાડી ચલાવો છો સેન્ટ જોસેફ કાઉન્ટીમાં
on June 23rd of 2025?
તારીખ જૂન 23rd 2025માં 23મી જૂન 2025 તમે ગાડી ચલાતા હતા.
Yes.
Had you been drinking?
તમે પિયા તમે પિયા હતા.
Yes.
Yes.
What were you drinking?
શું પિયા હતા.
Southern Comfort.
Southern Comfort.
How much do you think you drank?
કેટલા પિયા હતા.
અડધો pint.
Half a pint.
And did you get into a car accident?
તમે accident થયું.
Yeah.
Yes.
And did the police take you to the hospital and draw your blood?
પોલીસ તમે अस्पताल લેવીને ગયા
Yeah.
બ્લડ ટેસ્ટ માટે.
Yeah.
And do you accept that your blood alcohol came back as 0.289?
તમારું ટેસ્ટ પછી દારૂનું કન્ટેન્ટ 2.89 સર.
Yeah.
This is another case where we have an accident and a very high blood alcohol level.
તમારું આલ્કોહોલનું જો રિઝલ્ટ આવ્યું હતું બહુ હાઈ છે.
I find that there is sufficient evidence to accept your plea to operating while intoxicated.
તમે દારૂ પીને ગાડી ચલાવવા. Could you please repeat, sir?
I find that there is sufficient evidence to accept your plea of operating while intoxicated.
પુરાવા છે કે તમે પીવીને ગાડી ચલાવ્યા.
Now we have to impose the sentence.
હમણાં તમે standards, is it?
Attorney Workman, what would you like me to know?
Your Honor, we have a substance abuse assessment through Kalamazoo Psychology.
You have to continue to interpret so the defendant can understand
sorry,
what's being
sorry,
said.
I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't know that. Okay. Could you repeat that?
Yes, we have a substance abuse assessment through Kalamazoo Psychology.
Okay. Substance, what is it? Abuse. Could you repeat?
We have a substance abuse assessment through Kalamazoo Psychology.
પદાર્થનો દુરુપયોગ કરવા માટે psychology, what did you say? Substance abuse psychology, is it?
Yes. And a substance abuse assessment through this county.
અત્યારે આ કાઉન્ટીમાં તમારું પદાર્થનો દુરુપયોગ માટે અસેસમેન્ટ કરવાના છે.
Both of those assessments recommend Mr. Patel participate in treatment services.
મૂલ્યાંકનમાં તમારું treatment, is it?
Yes.
Could you repeat that again? I didn't get you.
Both assessments indicate Mr. Patel should participate in treatment services.
Okay. આ અસેસમેન્ટમાં તમારું કામ કરવું પડશે.
Mr. Patel acknowledges this and is willing to do treatment.
તમે શું કહો છો?
ટ્રીટમેન્ટ માટે
હા.
We are asking this court to follow the recommendation of the probation department.
કોર્ટમાં પૂછે છે કે
And sentence Mr. Patel to a probationary term with any treatment services the court feels necessary.
તમે બાલ માર્ગદર્શનોમાં પાલન કરો.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Canfield, bearing in mind the limitations of our current circumstance, Madam Prosecutor, what would you like me to know? Just a minute. Please translate that. Madam Prosecutor, what would you like me to know?
Prosecutor, તમે શું could you repeat that, sir?
Madam Prosecutor, what would you like me to know?
Prosecutor જી, તમે શું જોવા માંગે છે?
Let me say this.
મને શું જોવા
I plan to follow the recommendation.
હું recommendation follow કરું છું.
I've had an opportunity to read the reports.
હું રિપોર્ટ વાંચીને
And I believe that Mr. Patel is on the way of losing his life to alcohol.
મિસ્ટર પટેલ દારૂની could you repeat, madam?
Yes, I believe he is on his way of losing his life to alcohol.
તમે દારૂ પીને
Are you finished,
Mr.
ma'am?
Patel, you are going to die if you keep drinking like this.
તમે દારૂ પીઓ છો તો ના રહેશો.
Do you understand that?
મરી જશો. ખબર
એને
પડ્યું?
ખબર પડી.
Your Honor, I agree with the recommendations, but would request additional jail time.
You agree to recommendation?
Correct, but I request additional jail.
Additional jail, okay. Prosecutor કહે છે તમે ફરી જેલમાં મૂકવાનું.
Mr. Patel,
મારે જેલમાં નથી જવું.
He doesn't want to go to the jail.
No.
I believe that. You were in a very bad accident.
બહુ ભારી એક્સિડન્ટ થયું તમારું.
You could have killed somebody.
કિસીનું જાન પણ લેવો.
Or killed yourself.
તમારું જાન પણ મુશ્કેલમાં હતું.
Your blood alcohol was 3.5 times the legal limit.
તમારું ખૂનમાં દારૂનું ત્રણથી જ્યાદા હતું.
You don't get to not go to jail because you don't speak English.
તમે જેલ નથી ભીજવાનું, તમે ઇંગ્લિશ નથી આવડતું. ત્રણ ગુણ વધારે હતું.
I'm going to put you on probation for 12 months.
તમે 12 મહિને અજમાયાસામાં રખવાનું.
There is a $300 fine.
$300 ફાઇન છે.
$125 of cost to the state of Michigan.
$120નું કોસ્ટ મિશિગન સ્ટેટમાં આપવાનું.
A $100 screening fee.
$100,000નું સ્ક્રીનિંગ કરવા માટે.
A $200 reimbursement to the state police.
$200 સ્ટેટ પોલીસના આપવાનું.
And a $480 probation fee.
$480 આપવાનું પ્રોબેશન ફી માટે. અજમ્યાસા માટે.
That's $1,205.
મળીને
$1,205.
1,205 is it? $1,205.
I'm ordering 10 days of jail.
10 જેલમાં મૂકે છે.
And of those 10 days, 7 days are deferred.
7 days 10 દિવસે જેલમાં મૂકવે છે. 7 days are deferred, is it?
Yes. That means you have 2 days of jail to do, which will be scheduled by the probation department.
10 દિવસમાં દિવસ કરવું પડશે.
You're gonna do treatment as directed by the probation department.
ટ્રીટમેન્ટ પણ કરવું પડશે પ્રોબેશન ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ જો કહેશે.
You're not going to drink any alcohol.
આજેથી દારૂ પીના છોડવાનું.
With your diabetes,
તમારું ડાયાબિટીસ છે.
if you continue to drink like this, you will die.
તમે આમ પીઓ છો તો મરી જશો.
And we don't want that.
અમે આ નથી
To make sure that you don't drink,
તમે દારૂ ના પીવાનું એટલે
we're gonna test you periodically to make sure that you're not drinking any alcohol.
તમારી કસોટી કરવે છે. તમે
Your
દારૂ ના
doctor, oops, I'm sorry. Your doctor actually recommends that you go into an inpatient hospital.
તમારું ડોક્ટર કહે છે તમે अस्पतालમાં ભરવાનો પેશન્ટ.
I'm not sure that we're gonna do that, but that's what they think should happen.
ના કરવાય અત્યારે ખબર નથી.
That $12,005 is due within 1 year.
12,000 or 2,000 sir?
$1,205.
1,205 એક સાલમાં આપવું પડશે.
You're going to have to do 2 more days in jail.
હજી 2 દિવસ જેલમાં જવું પડશે.
I'm going to send you out to the conference room to meet with your probation officer.
તમે અત્યારે કોન્ફરન્સનું રૂમની બહાર ભેજવાસ.
To discuss this sentence.
Could you repeat that, sir?
I'm going to send you out to a conference room with the probation officer.
પ્રોબેશન અધિકારી મળવા માટે તમે કોન્ફરન્સ રૂમની બહાર.
The same room you were in before.
અત્યારે પહેલે તમે હતા.
Matthew,
Conference
could
room.
you open that room up again?
I will, Your Honor. I believe we can use the assistance of his daughter and wife, if that would be sufficient.
All right, that'd be fine then.
All right, thank you.
We will use your daughter and wife to help when you meet with the probation officer. Please translate that.
Oh, I have to translate. તમારી ભાર્યા પછી છોકરા પછી ઉપયોગ કરવા માટે બોલાવે છે.
Thank you, Ms. Maida. You're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Can I leave the meeting?
Yes, thank you.